What's up, y'all, man? I've been doing this shit all day. I'm tired, man. But, you know, I'm gonna get this video done for y'all. You know, I got my music man right here, Scott Wofford. Let's get it done. I'm gonna get straight to it for y'all. Alright. Shout out to my prodigies, J Styles, B Swag. Shout out to Joe Mill. Shout out to J Dog. Shout out to my hometown, St. Steve 41, Alvin, Swamp Fox. Shout out to my future fans. Baby, give me one more chance. I will make it right again. We've been together way too long. I guess our love is too strong. They telling me to move on. I just don't want us to be lost and gone. No, I dream about you every day and night. You text me, but I really wanna talk in via Skype. I love you with all my heart, baby girl, and my soul. I want to lick and cuddle like you're about to catch a cold. Love is a mystery, don't use it till you find it. I love it when you walk by my side like I'm blinded. I think Cupid got us, and he shot me twice. Just know that I'ma be there. The Jackson 5, yeah. I always loved you, but you started acting different. I never wanted a vacation, but you started tripping. It's not adding up, baby, what am I missing? You and me, a perfect fit, puzzle pieces. I love it when I wrap my hands around you like a koozie. And I want you like Romeo and Juliet, wanted each other. You're not even beautiful, you're above and beyond. I made a mistake of turning my back on you, you were gone. Yeah, this D Money for y'all. Showing love to the page. Hit like and tell me how I did, y'all.